fellow pioneers and crypto enthusiasts. What is going on? Now, in today's video, I bring to you 3 critical information from the Pi network. Now, just in case you missed out some information, these 3 information that I'm going to give to you are very important for your success on the Pi network, okay? Now, the reason why I'm putting all these 3 critical information on a single video is because I need you all to have everything in one place, okay? So that when you finish watching this video, you know exactly what is happening on Pi and what you need to do, okay? Now, you need to pay attention to this because there's a whole lot happening on Pi. I need to say, hey, why the sun shines, okay? Now, these 3 critical information are arranged in chronological order, beginning with what the less important and right up to what the most important, okay? So please, just in case you find this content helpful, kindly subscribe so that whenever we share content like this, you're gonna be informed, you're gonna be notified, okay? All right. Now, these 3 critical information, I begin with what the third one. Now, the third critical information on the Pi network is the fact that Pi sent out a message recently telling users that over 13 million users have been able to migrate their Pi coins. It's unclear whether you have migrated your Pi coin, okay? Just in case you haven't, I need to know that at least 13 million people, 13 million users on the same network, on the Pi network, have been able to migrate their coins, okay? So, if you've not migrated, you need to do what it takes in order to get your coin migrated, okay? Now, the second critical information which I wanted to inform you is that Pi slashed the price, the mining price, okay? This simply means whenever you click on mining, and of course, you get some 0.003 Pi per hour, right? That is what you usually get, right? Recently, if you log in on the Pi app and tap on the mining and you're following up how much you're getting per hour, it's a whopping 0.0027. Now you see that there's a difference of like 0.003, right? This is a whopping 8%. Now, according to one of the most recent updates from Pi, they've slashed the amount you earn per hour from mining Pi coins, they've slashed it by 8%. So if you are getting some small amount, just know that is what is happening. Now, the first critical information which I want to share with you at this time is the fact that if you have not done authentication, okay, if you have not put on the authentication app on your phone and authenticate your Pi app, I need to know that you are at a high risk, okay? This is a very crucial moment for Pi, or I would say this is one of the most critical moments in the Pi network. And just in case you make any joke, or if you do not do what it takes to get your coin safe, you're gonna lose this coin, okay? So you need to, sign up on an authenticator app and then try to log in on the Pi app, okay, so that you can make it secure, so that if somebody breaks into your wallet, they might only see the funds, but they will not break into your authenticator app and remove your phone, okay? Because if you try to remove, they'll ask them some authentication code which comes from another app. So except somebody hacks your phone or somebody is able to steal your phone, then he can steal your Pi. With the authenticator app, it makes it very difficult for hackers to remove your Pi. Already many people have been sending comments, they have lost their Pi and so on. I need you all to pay attention to this and get this logged in, okay? All right, so I look forward to explain or give you more updates in future as far as Pi is concerned, okay? Pi to the moon, and just in case you want to get more updates, try to subscribe, okay?